AI. If you're struggling with installing Claude by Anthropic on your Android smartphone because you are getting an error, can't install this app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and go to your Google Play Store. And using this app, if I go ahead and tap on it, first make sure you are logged in before you search for your Claude AI. However, if you are searching while logged in and you are unable to install your app from Play Store, then go ahead and tap on your profile icon here. And from here, scroll down to settings. Now, if you go to settings, you can see we have here this option, network preference. Go ahead and find it and then open, and you can see we have three options. Look for the option called app download preference. Currently the download option is set over any network, and this should be the right settings. So if you have your settings set maybe over Wi-Fi only or ask me anytime, then go ahead and change this to over any network. So I'll switch to this, and once you're done, now go ahead and tap on OK to save the changes. So this will ensure that you are able to download and install Claude AI on your current network that you are connected to. At this point, you should be able now to download and install your Claude AI app. However, if you try and you're still unable, then the problem might be with the Google Play Store app itself. And for this, we need to troubleshoot it by going to the app info page, and you can simply access this through settings, or if you want a shortcut method, just go ahead and long press on Play Store. However, if you can't see this app info, you should see the name of the app or just a settings gear. Go ahead and tap on it to access Play Store app information page. At this point, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app, and of importance is this cache data. So cache data are just small files that Play Store normally collects each and every time you use it, and it collects this to learn your interaction and also to enhance your future experience. But when this data accumulates, it might cause your Play Store to malfunction and thus being unable to install apps. To fix this, go to clear data and then choose clear cache, and finally confirm by typing on OK, and our cache data has been wiped out. Go back now, restart your smartphone, and now open your Play Store app, and at this time round you should be able to install the app. So go ahead, turn on your data, search for your app. So I'll search for Claude AI like that, and if I tap on the search icon, we have our app here. Go ahead and now tap on install. As you can see now, I'm able to download and install Claude by Anthropic, and I have now the app on my smartphone. So that's how you can fix can't install Claude by Anthropic from Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.